And welcome back to my mediocre woodworking channel. Today I'm here to give you a tip/tool review on this right angle bit. If you're going to be building furniture or working in small spaces that are kind of hard to reach, don't suffer. Get this right angle drill bit. I got this DeWalt one here. It allows me to get into these little tight spaces and fasten my pocket screws. It's a lifesaver. As you can see, with that right there, I would never be able to get my regular drill with that long bit in there and be able to drive that screw as effortless as I did here. I get that this tool isn't revolutionary, groundbreaking, or even new. It's been around a while. As a newer woodworker, whenever I come across something like this, I always feel the need to share. I struggled immensely with this project the first go around. I ended up throwing it away because I got so discouraged, but all it took was for me to get this attachment, and I was able to successfully do this project along with many others. If you personally have any favorite attachments or small tools or bits or anything that's made your life easier, leave them in the comments below. This is a page for newer woodworkers, so let's help each other out. Let me know.